Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can pull historical stock prices using Google Finance and Google Sheets. So without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to docs.google.com and log in to your Google account. Once you're on the main dashboard, go to the top left and access main menu, and from the drop down, click on Sheets. On the next page, we're going to click on blank spreadsheet, and this is where we will start. First, on one cell, I would type in date 1, and then on the following, date 2. On the cells beside it, I'm going to select it, and then click format, hover on number, and then click on date. On the first cell, I'm going to type in January 1, 2024, and then on the second, January 1, 2025. This would be our starting and end date. On the next cells, I would type in our ticker. This means the code that we will type in here would be the program that we will get the stock prices from. For example, let's get historical stock price for Google. This is the ticker for Google. Now, on another cell, I'm going to type in the Google Finance function, parenthesis, and then we're selecting the ticker using Control, and then select, then F4, comma, our attribute, all, quote, comma, and then our start date, Control, then F4, comma, our end date, Control, F4, and lastly, our interval. We can either put daily or weekly. So for this video, I'm going to choose daily. Then close parenthesis, enter, give it a few minutes or seconds, and that's it. We now have historical stock prices for Google from January 1, 2024 to January 1, 2025. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!